everybody, Tracy here from Uniquely Creative. Today I am going to show you our brand new collection. It's called Bushland Boutique, has a hint of Australiana in there and we hope you love it as much as we do. So this is the 12 by 12 collection pack. Let me show you all the papers in more detail. This one is called Bush Flowers, very cute. This one is Back Fence, my favourite piece of paper I think. This one is called Country Blossoms, you can fussy cut these out, pattern on the back. Oops, this one's upside down. This one is Outback Flora, background. This one is Great Outdoors, dots on the back. This is my second favourite piece of paper. It's called Native Garden, wood grain on the back, and Flora and Fauna fussy cuts. Of course you can fussy cut all these beautiful things out at the back. And In the Garden. And the back. So that is all the papers. We also have 2 cut apart sheets in this collection which work with all of our essential dies, and this one is great for card making, and the 6 by 6 collection pack as well. There are creative cuts. These go with the kit as well. These are the creative cuts for this collection. We also have a new little mini stamp. This one's called Mini Poker and is absolutely perfect just for adding those backgrounds. Just love it, and I'll show you some layouts in a minute. I'll show you where the girls have used this. And of course we have our cardstock bundle. Let me tell you, if you get the cardstock bundle, you are going to get 2 Chantilly lace, 2 fir tree, 2 clover, 2 butterscotch, and 2 brick wall in there as well. Let me show you the add-ons. We have got a couple of different dies. So this one is called Native Frame. I always get that wrong. So this actually cut out cute little frames, and then you've got the gorgeous little gum nuts in there. And this one is a lacy frame. So these are super great for adding frames on things, and I'll show you again in the layouts the girls have made. And this month we are also releasing a photopolymer stamp. So this one is called Aussie Natives. It's got the beautiful Waratah on there, and of course we've got the fussy cutting die as well. And let me show you some beautiful cards made with this stamp. So these are the little gum nuts on there on your special day. Aren't they pretty? And lucky last we have got the laser cut, and the words on the laser cut are live your best life, thank you, love and hugs, and on your wedding day. Let me take you through some of the layout. So I've got a couple of layouts here from Liddell. So this is the little dot stamp that I was showing you. And this one is super cute with this background paper with the gorgeous little snails they found in their garden. And another one with the gingham. And so this is some of our muslin. Isn't it sweet? This one was my favourite piece of paper. Love it. And look, here's another example of using that piece of paper. Just printed some of these off. This is the dot stamp mixed with our photopolymer stamp, and these are this is our barbed wire die. Love this one, it's so gorgeous. Another just a couple. This is the frame, so you can frame up your photos and other bits and pieces. Very cute. More of those gorgeous frames, and isn't the colour palette so pretty and so Australian? And here's that stamp used on a layout. I love it. And if you love to colour or just want to give our pencils a go, it's a great stamp to colour in. The DT have done an amazing job with this beautiful colour palette and this collection. So if you were wanting to wait for the kit to come out, let me just quickly show you what's in that. So in the kit, we have got the creative cuts, the brass cogs, some of our dusty teal flowers, the cute little mini poker stamp, a whole packet of our muslin, the laser cut, some of our white twine, cut apart sheet, 1 sheet of our watercolor cardstock, and the 12 by 12 collection pack. Thanks so much for watching. Till next time, bye.